I emailed our clients and said, hey, small business life, this happens. And half of them emailed back and yep, I get it. It's a big deal.
Pet peeves.
So the first one is knowingly wasting time, which is why it's a non-negotiable.
So that pet peeve is on the...
Yeah, that's on the list. And a lot of these came from, a lot of the core values and keys and non-negotiables came from the company that I created. I realized this is the people that really have thrived here. Let's write these down. So the no gossip one, I didn't just choose that. I realized it, right? The risk over communicating.
When you say you realize that, it happened.
Right. I realized that we had people on our team who don't gossip. And by the way, that definition of gossip is complaining about something to someone who can't fix it.
Yeah.
So if I called my wife in here and said, hey, this light's too bright. Leo put the light up. She can't do anything about that.
Right.
And so how does she, now you're wasting her time, you're wasting my time, and you're giving her the impression that we didn't take this seriously.
We talk about in sports, never bitch down.
There you go.
You need to, if you're going to complain up.
Right.
Because then there's those guys at the end of the bench by that water cooler. They ain't on this team long. Because Misery and Company love to chat. Yeah, we don't complain down. You complain up. Keep going.
Yeah. So the knowingly wasting time, one of my biggest ones is getting to zero, getting back to zero. What I mean by that is the website's supposed to work. That's assumed, right? So the website goes down. Well, zero is the website. So getting back up to zero. That is a big pet peeve of mine. So what can we do to avoid going below zero? Because as an entrepreneur, I'm not trying to fix things. I'm trying to build something. Now, the company's fixing a problem. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about internally to the company, spending all of our time doing whack-a-mole and just fixing things is miserable.
Yeah.
Because number one, you're not growing the company. Number two, you're not looking out at your customers. You're looking inside the company. You're fixing things all the time, right? That's why we have backup plans. That's why, imagine the worst case scenario and worry once. That's why I had those conversations with our team. What happens if the website goes down? What are we going to do?
Yeah.
We have a plan for that. That happened last week. GoDaddy had some brain fart and our website went down for 18 hours. And the plan, because I had the plan already, I emailed our clients and said, hey, small business life, this happens. And half of them emailed back and yep, I get it. It's a big deal. And then other ones I posted on LinkedIn. I said, hey, I apologize that our website's down. We're working on it. And we all talk about small business life being hard. Yeah, this is that. We're working on fixing it. And a couple of them actually replied and said, yeah, no problem. Thanks for letting us know.
See, that's a quick panic. Panic quick. Panic early.
Right.
If you're going to panic early. But when you panic, have the plan.
Yeah. I panic before I even have to is the point.
Yeah, exactly.
I knew exactly what I was going to do when that happened.
Right. You assumed in building the website, this will go down at some point.